Welcome back, video creators. Today, we are diving into Adobe Premiere Pro 2024, focusing on its user interface. Whether you are new to Premiere Pro or upgrading to the latest version, understanding its interface is crucial for efficient editing. Interface introduction. Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with the Premiere Pro interface. Panels and workspaces. Premiere Pro organizes tools into panels such as the Project Panel, Timeline Panel, and Effects Controls Panel. Workspaces allow you to customize panel arrangements for different tasks like editing, color grading, or audio mixing. Customizing the interface. Learn how to adjust panel sizes, rearrange panels, and create custom workspaces. Personalizing the interface can significantly improve your workflow efficiency. Toolbar and tools. Explore the toolbar and essential tools for editing, trimming, and adjusting clips. Timeline and sequence settings. Understanding the timeline panel and how to set up sequences for different projects. Effects and transitions. Utilize the effects panel to apply filters, effects, and transitions to your footage. Color grading. Discover the powerful Lumetri color panel for professional color correction and grading. Keyboard shortcuts. Boost your editing speed with essential keyboard shortcuts. Multi-camera editing. Learn how to streamline editing with Premiere Pro's multi-camera editing capabilities. Today, we've covered the Adobe Premiere Pro 2024 interface, from basic navigation to advanced editing techniques. Practice and explore the features discussed to master Premiere Pro and elevate your video editing skills. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Premiere Pro tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.